Hi, this is Mrs. Kaiser. I just wanted to let you know what to do if you get less than an 80% on a quiz. So the point of this course is that you learn. So if you're not doing well enough on the quizzes, that tells us that you need to go back and look at that material. So I kind of want to show you that right now. First of all, let's take a look at your syllabus calendar. So if you look at your syllabus calendar, way at the end of your syllabus, notice that about every 3 or 4 weeks you have a catch-up week. So if you get behind because you need to study something, that's okay. We have right built into it catch-up weeks. Now, if you are still on chapter 1 on September 28th, that's a problem. You need to be spending more time with your math. But in general, that I put those weeks in there so that you can catch up. Now, let's say that you get less than an 80% on a quiz, and so you need to fill out the learning log. So what you'll do is you'll go into content and take a look here at retaking quizzes. You'll just click on that and you'll fill out the relearning log. The relearning log looks like this. You'll put your name, what section, and what quiz it is. And then after you do that, I guess I have to do that for then you'll mark each question. You'll look at it. You got it correct. Did you make a careless arithmetic mistake? You said 7 times 9 is 62 instead of 63. You misunderstood the question. You just didn't know how to do the problem or other. So you'll do that for all the questions. And then you're going to take a picture of your old work and your new work. This is why it is important when you take your quizzes to make sure you keep all your work. And in another video I showed you, you should probably just do it all in a notebook. Make sure you number it. And then you'll be able to take a picture of the questions that you got wrong. And that's what I'll look at. So you'll email me that, and I'll look at what you got wrong and your right work to make sure that I can see that you know how to do it now. And also I like to see where those mistakes are. And then I will reset your quiz. Now, something I'm noticing in the quizzes is many of you are taking 5 or 10 minutes. There are 10 questions. You have 90 minutes to take those quizzes. So if you are done in 5 minutes, you might want to go back and check your work. For example, if it's a multiplication problem, you could try a different way, maybe that lattice method that I showed you of multiplication, or you could do division, do the opposite operation. Definitely, if it's division, you should multiply it back to make sure that it's right. So always go back and try every problem, and if you can try it a different way, that's even better, so that you can make sure that you're not making those careless mistakes. So if you notice, you have a quiz, you have a bunch of careless mistakes, that tells you, whoa, I better take a lot more time with this. Again, the first couple quizzes will probably be easier, but because it's cumulative, you'll get more stuff in there. And so then they might take longer, be a little more complicated, but you still have 90 minutes to take for 10 questions. So work through all the questions and then go back and check them all again just to make sure that you're not making at least any careless mistakes. Now, if you do the relearning log, and then you go take the quiz again and you still get less than 80% on the second try, then you're going to schedule time with me. And I've already made a video about how to do that, how to schedule time with me. But that will be important because at that point, it seems to me like maybe you need some help either on how to learn from the book or on a specific topic. So, and if after a third time you still aren't at 80%, we'll discuss a plan for you. All right. You have a great day, and make sure you reach out to me if you need some help.